Hey designers, today I'll talk about 5 annoying things in Figma and how to solve them. Number 1. I don't want to nest it. Sometimes you want an element on top of your design, but it will nest itself automatically, and that is very annoying. Let me show you what happens. If I want this button right over here, see what happens? It'll try to nest itself, and I cannot control that easily. So how do I solve this? You just click on what you want to move. While moving, press the spacebar. Then it won't nest itself inside a design. Number 2, select what I want. Sometimes it's really hard to select things in Figma because there are so many layers inside. Let me show you. If I want to select maybe this icon, I need to click multiple times to actually access it. You could use the layers panel, but it's very hard to find it, right? So there is a method using the command click, so you could access the deepest layer. But what if you don't want this? You could just press Shift Enter to go up one level, not using the layers panel. Another method would be using command right click. You go to where you want to select an item, then press command, holding the command, press the right click button. Then you would have the options what you want to select. You could go up the full level, which is the frame, or it could be a specific one like this button. Then you would actually have very fast access to the layers and you won't get confused. Number 3, main components inside your designs. The normal behavior when creating components is that it would just create itself. It won't create another outside of where it is. So naturally, you would have this problem of your main components inside your designs. But what if you want to edit it outside of this design? Now you would want to take it out because you cannot copy it, and then maybe make another copy of it and try to put it back in. It's a bit tedious. So what you can do is prevent that from happening at first using a plugin. I have this plugin called Pop a Component. You just run it, and then what it does is creates an instance on its place and takes the main component out so you could start editing. Number 4, resizing a frame and everything breaks. Let me show you. When you select a frame and then want to resize it, you have behaviors that it breaks the layout. This is because of constraints. There's 2 methods to actually solve this. The easiest method is to click on what you want to resize, which is the frame, hold down the command key, and then just increase it as much as you want. But another method is not using the command, but actually changing the constraints. You first select one layer inside the frame, press Command A to select all the frames, and then change the constraints to top and left. Then you could actually change the frame as you want. Number 5, other designers' cursors and a lot of comments. So the new comment option is very neat, but sometimes it's a bit annoying that it covers your designs. It's very easy to remove them. Just press Shift C, then they're gone. What about other users' cursors moving around? It'll be annoying when designing stuff, right? Go to multiplayer cursors and then check it off. You still see who's with you, but the cursor is not there. When you want to have them shown, you just go back, search multiplayer cursors, and then enable it. Then you would see other users' cursors moving around. Number 6, shortcuts for international keyboard layouts. I actually don't have a solution for this. That's why it's only 5 solutions I put in this video. But you would have Googled it already if you use maybe a German keyboard or some other keyboard that doesn't match the US English layout. I could just tell you that overriding Mac keyboard shortcuts for Figma doesn't work. So don't try, and just ask for Figma to add them soon. Hope you have loved the content. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Then, see you next time. Bye!